Hi all, so today we will see our game. So I have made this game, this Hitman. It's a very interesting game and you need to have at least 3 kills, and it have different tactics from which you can kill AIs. I do love the whole process, and the whole game it was completed in 2 weeks.
Listen up, Agent 47. Your target is inside that highly fortified compound. He's the one in just his pants, surrounded by his bodyguards. You've got multiple options to eliminate him and complete the mission. See those cylinders, blue barrels, and electrical equipment? They're your tools to create chaos and eliminate your target. Be smart, and make the environment work for you. You can shoot the cylinder to create a diversion. The explosion will draw their attention, giving you an opportunity. Or, aim for the blue barrel. It's volatile, a single shot will trigger an explosion, taking out nearby threats. If you want to shock the surrounding enemies, target the electrical equipment. A well-placed shot will send a deadly surge through their ranks. And don't forget the gas. Release it strategically, it'll choke the surrounding foes. Remember, this mission depends on your resourcefulness and precision. Make every shot count, and get that target. You need to have at least 3 kills to pass this mission.
So, as you must have listened, you must have 3 kills at least. Right click, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. At the left hand side you have some zoom factor, and right hand side it will show you the distance at real time. So if you kill somebody and others found out, after 5 seconds it will be closed and you are done. So you have to kill everyone without knowing other AI, and you need to have at least 3 kills. So he is looking here. Maybe we can. This guy, he's moving here and there. I think we have to. Okay, now he's moving, so we can just. He's dead. We can go for the second kill. So from bottom, nobody can see him, so I can just simply use the cylinder. And he's done. At the left, I can see I still have 2 plus 10 bullets left, so I have enough, and I have to kill one more enemy. Although you can, change all the rules of this game. Like you can change the bullet counts to 3. So in just 3 bullets, you have to make sure that you have to kill that guy. So if you have listened the instructions carefully, I have to find a guy who just in pants. So right now, okay, he's moving way far. Maybe we have to wait, or I can kill him. So as soon as I'm pressing shift, you can see my crosshair, he's moving here and there, but as soon as I'm pressing shift, it is going on focus mode. At the right, you can see I can use this for a certain time, and after this it will, I'm still pressing shift, but it will lose automatically. Okay, I have different options also. At the right, you can see I can press K, it will use gas. So maybe like somebody from these two, if they will come extreme right, I can use K, so they will not be visible from others. Because if I will kill, okay, right now actually this is the perfect spot. uh, right now I do have to wait, I guess. Okay, I am still waiting. Okay, pressing B. Okay, Okay, so everyone is dead. And shit, he's dead. Okay, I'm facing some errors too, so let's restart.
You need to have at least 3 kills to pass this
Okay,
mission.
so I started it again. So now again we can do the same drill. Maybe I can kill him first. If I will shot him in his leg. Okay, maybe need some focus. If I will shot his hand, he's maybe we can add some moments there because okay, this is nice. Maybe like maybe somebody have seen me, so maybe I will quit and start it again. Okay, I restarted it again. It's not that easy. So maybe when I was killing two of them, they must have seen each other. So maybe again I have to wait and I can kill this guy first. It's a headshot, so it's like one bullet kill. For the other, I will use maybe so he's down. It's kinda easy. So I have two kills. For the third, actually I can even see. So what this generator do, it will search the kill. This is nice. And he have seen like I have done, but maybe I can kill him. But as I have killed the main guy and there were three kills, so I won. Let's restart and we'll show you more tactics how we can kill more. Quit. And let me play that again. Okay, perfect. I restarted that again. So one of the good thing is like if you shot their leg, see? If I will shot him again, he will start crawling. This is the real nice feature and let's kill him. Now he is dead. The issue with this, this electrical equipment is like the man has to be there. If he will come close, I can shoot him. Okay. Maybe some AIs were there and I was not focusing. Okay, maybe I will quit and start again. So we'll show you some more tactics. Okay, I restarted it again. So we have got the cylinder blue barrel thing, also got this. There's one more thing at the right you can see using K key you can use that gas, and if I press K, okay, I can kill all of them because I can release the gas bomb here. Or maybe like just for testing what I can do, I can uh, should we wait actually? So that guy is going here. Maybe shift. So you can see using gas, he's just in that area. I can and there's one more like we can use time bomb. So using B key, if I will press B, so it will spawn that B key, and at the right you can see now I do have uh, zero bomb. After 5 or 6 seconds, it will blow everything up. Now they have seen the body and the game is over like after 5 seconds, or in 5 seconds I have to kill them all. So this is the game center. So let's kill them first. In that time area, if I can kill, I won. Because now in that time I have killed the main guy, that means I won. So this was it. This was the game which I made in Unreal. If you like, you can see the course. Like I have gone through all the steps which I have used inside this game. So you will have all the basics how you can create games from scratch, and it is everything is in C++ and Blueprint, and you will get all the basics which you need to create games. How can you use missions, And this is just the prototype of this game. You can create the whole you know production daily game using this. So this was it. Thank you and have a nice day. The course link is in the description. If you are interested, you can go through that course. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, there's one thing which I missed actually. So these glasses are also there. So if you will short them, you can see that they are changing their texture. So you can, if you will second, it will break those glasses. So if somebody is near those glass, you can put some logic. Okay, that AI will be done. Okay, no. So this was it. Thank you. Okay, I wasn't able to kill that AI, so he informed. Bye bye.